Good evening. Tonight we're diving into a topic that's changing lives and challenging old beliefs about weight loss. For decades, the standard advice for losing weight was simple: eat less, move more. Diet and exercise were seen as the only solutions, and anyone struggling was often blamed for a lack of willpower or discipline. But for millions of people, it's never been that straightforward. Obesity is now recognized as a complex chronic disease influenced by genetics, hormones, biology, and the environment around us. It's not just about personal choices. Now, a new generation of medications is changing everything we thought we knew about weight loss. These aren't the old diet pills of the past. They're advanced drugs originally developed for diabetes that are now delivering weight loss results once only possible with surgery. Tonight we'll explore two names making headlines around the world: semaglutide and tirzepatide, medications that are changing the conversation. These drugs work by targeting the body's hunger and fullness hormones, recalibrating how your brain perceives food and appetite, making it easier to feel satisfied and eat less. This marks a major shift, treating obesity as a biological condition that deserves medical care, not as a personal failure or lack of effort. We'll break down how these breakthrough drugs work, what the latest science reveals, and what you need to know if you or someone you love is considering them. So let's begin with the drug that sparked this medical revolution: semaglutide. Enter tirzepatide, sold as Mounjaro for diabetes and Zepbound for weight loss. Unlike semaglutide, tirzepatide targets two hormones, GLP-1 and GIP, both key in appetite and metabolism. This dual action leads to even greater weight loss, up to 21% in clinical trials, rivaling bariatric surgery. Side effects are similar, mostly nausea, diarrhea, and vomiting, especially when starting or increasing the dose. Serious risks, pancreatitis, gallbladder disease, and thyroid tumor warnings, mirror semaglutide. It's not for those with certain thyroid conditions. Tirzepatide's arrival marks a leap forward, building on earlier breakthroughs for even better results. Let's compare these two powerful options. Semaglutide and tirzepatide both revolutionize weight management by targeting gut hormones. Both are weekly injections, both highly effective. Semaglutide averages 15% weight loss, tirzepatide about 21%. Tirzepatide's dual action may explain its edge, but both have similar side effect profiles. The choice often depends on insurance, doctor recommendation, and individual tolerance. It's not just about the biggest number. Sustainable, healthy weight loss is the goal. Having two strong options means more personalized care. This competition drives innovation. Future drugs may be even better. The real story: a new era in treating obesity as a medical condition. Why all the buzz? Everywhere you look, people are talking about these new medications, and for good reason. Because these drugs work on a scale we've never seen before. People are experiencing dramatic weight loss, often for the first time in their lives. They shift the focus from willpower to biology, validating obesity as a disease, not a personal failing. This new understanding is changing how society views weight and health. But challenges remain. High demand, supply shortages, and steep costs limit access for many who need them most. Insurance often doesn't cover them for weight loss, raising questions of equity and fairness in healthcare. These aren't magic bullets. They work best when combined with healthy habits like nutritious eating and regular exercise, and stopping them often means regaining weight, which can be discouraging for many. For most, they're a long-term treatment for a chronic disease, requiring ongoing commitment and support. Semaglutide and tirzepatide have launched a new era in weight management. They've changed lives, offering hope where there was little before, and they're transforming the conversation around obesity, making it more compassionate and science-based. The revolution is here, and it's just beginning. Thank you for watching.